If you run out
Efren
like
and
this,
Ness just graciously gave us one of these machines that they said was extra. This Keurig machine that they got in the Bay Area. And it just completely
it's heating now.
surprised us, just blindsided us really. We've never had coffee from this machine, and I have to admit it's pretty good stuff. So that's the name of it. Keurig. Never heard of it. Of course, we don't have Costco here, so that's easy to understand, and they do. So it's very interesting to meet and talk to free-spending Americans, because if they're anything, Efren and Ness are free-spending Americans.
See? It blinks.
They just love their gadgets. So now they have to give Marita kind of like on-the-job training to make sure she understands how to use this gadget. And anyway, it's quite the thing in coffee making. They use these little containers from Pete's right here. And like that. And these are going to gadgets. You don't even have to open them. The gadget will do that for you, and at the same time make a great cup of coffee. I mean, I don't want to sound like a commercial, but I'm sitting here sipping a second big cup of coffee from this machine, and it speaks for itself. Pretty good stuff.